Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a fun video. I have the fall Fabfitfun box. It's still sealed shut. I have not cheated. I didn't open it at all, so I don't know what's in there yet. But yeah, it was sent and I'm ready to get this open. Well, first let me say I have partnered with Fabfitfun to bring you guys this video to let you know about them and their amazing box. So in case you have missed any of my other unboxings, Fabfitfun is a subscription box that comes out every season. It is $49.99 per season, but if you use my code down below, you'll get $10 off your first box and it'll be $39.99. Now, this is absolutely one of, I was trying to think of the right wording, one of the best boxes out there. Fabfitfun, I mean, you're spending, like I said, the first box is $39.99, but your products in this box is going to be worth up to $200, if not more sometimes. So if you're looking for something that you just want to gift to yourself every season, and right now will be the perfect time because this is fall. You'll get the December or the Christmas or the winter box, and those boxes are amazing. You'll see once I open this one up. But if you just want to gift it to yourself, maybe send it to a friend or a family member, your mom, your sister, or somebody that you just want to tell them thank you, you love them every season, this is the perfect box for you guys to get. So I'm not gonna ramble on and on. I do want to get this open, but like I said, if you are considering getting this box, check the code down below and make sure you use that so that you'll get $10 off of your first box. Okay, so I am going to get this open, and as you guys can see as I'm talking and opening this with my beautiful, you guys remember these scissors? Let me sit this down. Remember when I showed you guys these scissors? Where was I at? Marshall's or somewhere? Remember those? My beautiful butterfly antique style scissors. Let me see. So as I'm getting this open, you guys, I have kind of come up with my background. You guys know I had kept saying that in my other videos, like, oh, I haven't even got my background or whatever. I'm working on it. I'm working on it, but I still want to come get this box open. Okay, so this is what it looks like on the inside. So you're automatically going to get their like magazine that they put in here, and it tells you about the products. Is actually going to tell you each product that's in here, what it is about, and how much it retail, what the retail value of it is, and I will go over that with you as well. Then they sent these coupons. 'Tis the season. Well, this season leaves aren't the only thing bringing some color into your life. Okay, it's just a coupon for Fabfitfun. And then here's another coupon for America's #1 meal kit, and it's HelloFresh, and it's an $80 gift card. So if you're interested in doing that grocery order service, I've thought about it, but I don't know. I have to look into it more. But yeah, so this is what it looks like, and I'm gonna get this open and we're gonna see what is in the fall box. Okay, so the first thing I pulled out is this right here, and it says Humankind Skincare with a Conscience Body Souffle, natural, vegan, and cruelty free. And that's what the package looks like. It says lightly whipped for the ultimate in kindness, I got tongue tied. Lightly whipped for the ultimate in kindness. It's a 2-in-1 light and fluffy body souffle. It quickly absorbs into the skin to leave you feeling super moisturized and soft to the touch. So this is really cool. I love stuff like this, and I love body souffles because it's a little bit thicker than like your regular lotion, and it tends to go on and it doesn't have like that oily feel to it. So this will be cool. And it's 6.76 ounces. I will tell you guys what it retails for at the end of the video. Okay, next I'm pulling out this. I needed another one of these. Okay, so it's like a hair turban right here, and it's just a hair turban. It says hair towel, and for your hair, heat and frizz free dry. And okay, so oh yeah, it does have the snap. It's showing you how to put it on, It's basically the one you put on, you wrap it, and then you pin it up, and there's like a little button or something on there, like a, you know, for you to shut it. I swear by these for me and my daughter. After we wash our hair, I love to just throw on one of these and let your hair dry in the turban, and then you just hang it up and let it dry. You can wash them and everything after that. So that's super cool. The next thing I see in here, it says Juice Cleanse Harper and Ari exfoliating sugar cubes. Now recently I showed you guys the sugar cubes like this by a different company. What was the name of the company? I can't remember, but it's sold at Target. You guys remember that? I still use those. I love those, so I'm excited to try these. And what's interesting about this one is it says Juice Cleanse. So let's see. Yeah, I'm not sure about it. I'll have to read it in a little magazine, but basically it's just a square cube, kind of looks like a giant sugar cube, and you take it in the shower or the bath, and it's just an exfoliating little square. You put it on your body, wherever you're going to use it at, with some water, and it tends to break down, but then it just turns into exfoliate in your hand, and it scrubs away the dead skin and everything. I love exfoliates, and yeah, so I want to smell these. Oh, they smell so good. It has a really fresh and clean fragrance to it. I can't figure out what it smells like. Cucumber. It's like a, I don't know, it's like a sweet cucumber or something like that. It smells really good, so that's cool. Okay, this is sitting right on top, and it's really big, and I want to see what it is. It's like a little pouch or something in here. Okay, oh, look at that. It has the word Kate Spade on the side right here. So what is this? Oh, this is cute. It's like a little, it says out to lunch. Let me get it how it's supposed to be. Okay, so it's like a little tote. It is a Kate Spade lunch like tote. Let me see. Let me look on the inside. Okay, it is insulated, so you can use this for your lunch. And like I said, you guys, this box is only $49.99, and as you can already see, you're getting your money's worth, definitely. And they always put really nice products in their box. So this one, like I said, it says Kate Spade on it. It has the cute little black polka dots on it with the gold zipper, and it has the handle at the top. Really, really nice. And in small letters right here, it says out to lunch. How cute is that? Oh, that's so cute. I may use it. If not, I'll let my daughter take some snacks and stuff to school with that. Okay, so next, there's a lot of this little, like the shreds, paper shreds, and it was stuck onto this. So let me clean this off. Okay, so the next thing in there is this plush scarf. It's checkered print, really pretty. Love the blue, and then it still has the fringes on it right there. It says ultra soft plaid scarf, and it is super soft. It's really soft. I love the way this feels. Hand wash separately in cold water. Do not bleach. Dry flat. Stay warm and stylish, and it's by Plus Apparel. That is really nice. I like that. So that's in there, and we are almost done. Let's see, what are these three? I see three more things. Okay. Oh, ooh. Farrah ear crawlers. So these are some ear crawlers that you can put, and they lay, in case you don't know, they lay either up here. You can wear them going up the ear or down the ear, you know, down this way. Really pretty. I don't know. Well, no, these don't look like that. The ear crawlers that I'm used to are the ones that kind of, you're able to put them on and face them upwards or down. These actually have the hook that goes behind the ear, so these are going to hang down, but they're really, really pretty. And these are by Bobble Bar, and I love Bobble Bar earrings. They got the prettiest earrings. Okay, so then next you have Aveda Damage Remedy Daily Hair Repair. It looks like this, and it's a daily hair repair, instant visible repair, protects from heat and styling. How do you use this? It's a leave-in treatment. Shake well. Oh, it is watery. I thought it was like a thick cream. Shake well, work a small amount of product into the hands, apply to damp hair, and comb damp hair and comb to distribute, do not rinse. So it is a leave-in, of course. And yeah, I didn't even know Avita had leave-ins. What did I think? I just thought Avita had like lotions and stuff. So that's nice, and that's 3.4 fluid ounces. And the last thing that I pulled out is by Wonder Beauty, and I love these, you guys. I don't do a lot of masks. You guys already know that, like the full face mask, even though I have a bunch of them. These are my favorite. The Baggage Eye Claim Gold, the Baggage Claim Gold Eye Mask. And these are the little gold masks that you literally just sit right here underneath your eyes. Especially like lately, I haven't been getting really good sleep with the move. You guys know I moved, and I've just been so busy. I haven't been sleeping that well, so I'm getting a little puffiness under here. These work good for stuff like that. And I do have a few different ones of these, so, but the Wonder Beauty, the ones that I had like this, I absolutely love. So that is everything in the box. Let me go ahead and tell you guys what everything retailed for, so you'll know if this is something that you want to get, because I highly recommend it. Oh, see, that's why I don't go in this magazine, because it tells you your products, but then it also tells you what can come in other people's, well, what you possibly could get in your box, because not everybody gets the same thing. Okay, and I see this wallet right here. Oh, that was cute. And who was that? Oh, that was a cut from the cloth striped wallet. So that's also an item that you could get in your box instead of the Kate Spade. I like the Kate Spade. I wouldn't have mind the wallet, but okay. So let me tell you guys the prices. So 2A, the Kate Spade lunch, the Kate Spade Kate lunch. Okay, let me get it together. So the Kate Spade lunch tote retailed for $30. The scarf retailed for, how is the scarf more than the Kate Spade? So the scarf retailed for $75. That's a lot. That is, it feels like it's worth it. I would say that, but $75 for a scarf, I don't know. And let's see. Okay, nothing else on that page. The ear crawlers, the Bobble Bar ear crawlers were retailed at $34. These. What else do I have on this page? 4B, the hair towel or the turban right here retailed for $18. What else do I have? Okay, I told you guys about the Kate Spade. So the 3 other items. Let me flip the page. They got all kind of stuff. All kinds of stuff. Okay, so here's the last page. The Wonder Eye Mask set right here retails for $25. The Avita hair repair retails for $30. And remember, this box is only $49. Minus the first month. And then this right here retails for $16. And the last item right here, the Humankind Body Souffle, retails for $18. So that is everything in my fall box. I absolutely love Fabfitfun. Like, I'm not just saying that. I really mean it. They are one of the top contenders for me as far as subscription boxes. They are amazing. And like I said, if you want to pamper yourself or somebody else, then I suggest you get this box and have it come to you every 3 months. And if you are, for sure, jump on it right now, because you don't want to miss the winter box. If you miss the fall box, you want to get the winter box, and it will be like a Christmas gift to yourself, and you won't regret it. So that is it, you guys, for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I do have some stuff on the board back there, but stay tuned, because I'm gonna get ready to do a different video and talk about that. But thank you guys all for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. If you get Fabfitfun, let me know if we got the same items, or what did you get different, and if you could change something, what would you change? Because like I said, that cut from the cloth wallet was really cool. Okay, I'll talk to you guys real soon in my next video. Bye.